Hello, this is Emery. Here's my final project application equals Fit Life, and this is the main page of the exercise. The home page is this. This is the home page, and by clicking this button, or goes to this link, brings you to the main exercise page. I'll go through the about page. Here's the about page. It describes about this application, and here's a call to action. This button also goes bring you to the main exercise page. And then this application has one of the functionalities a search and filtering. Also, here's a pagination. So for the search text, when user put the in search text in the input, it shows up workouts relating to barbell. Either name is barbell. Name includes the one string text here, or relating to either um, body part, target, muscle, or equipment. That means, for example, when I hit the neck, it shows up all exercise, including neck exercise. Also, the exercise name has neck, even those target muscle doesn't relate it to neck. So once hit the clear, it backs to all exercise. And here's the filtering. Once user click the either filter, it's gonna show up all exercise relating to this body part, upper leg, and waist. User can use both filtering and search text. For example, dumbbell. If user wants to find some exercise, so in the waist there is no dumbbell exercise. Upper legs there is no dumbbell. Dum- oh, I did spell wrong. So see the waist there are two exercise. The uh, body part is waist and the equipment is dumbbell. Dump. And here's the upper legs, upper arms. All exercise includes dumbbell. And once I hit the clear, it goes back to the back exercises that I hit last time. And here's the all exercises. Here's the pagination. Once you click this double arrow, it brings to the last page. And once hit this arrow, it back to the first page. And then once you hit this exercise card, it's gonna show up a whole detail, including instructions, target muscles, and secondary target muscle groups. And on the bottom, there's a relating to exercise video. There's additional guidance. And once you click related to workouts, it shows up the same target muscles exercises, same equipment workout, and then also has a pagination. It's exactly same pagination in the whole exercise page. Then when you click the card, it also brings you to the exercise detail page. And, and then when you hit the YouTube link, it's gonna bring new tab, and user can just watch the YouTube video. Okay, there's another feature is if user click the uh, filtering back exercise, and then but if they don't like this exercise or they're not interested in it, once you hit the go back to exercise list, this filtering stays here, so user doesn't have to look all through exercise again. The most challenging part to work on this application is building this detail page. So on the main data like name, image, and target muscle would load quickly, but other values like instructions and secondary target muscles, which are arrays, sometimes want a variable right away, which causing rendering errors. So to solve this, I added the conditional rendering so that each section only renders if the required data exists. So this detail page was the most frustrating part to build on, but at the same time, I had the most fun building this detail page. It's because this page was exactly how I planned it from the beginning. I enjoyed seeing all the pieces come together, including dynamic data loading, matching icons with muscle groups, displaying related exercises. There are more features I would like to add on this app, such as March search here. That way user, like, after searching something and the user pick the exercise, and when they go back it still stays all filtering and search exercise. It's easier to find the other related workouts for users. Also, I would like to work on user authentication system, and then user can save each exercise list and access to the list page user liked. That's gonna be my next goal. Thank you for watching.